Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find grade in Microsoft Excel in simple way. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then we show the this Excel document is percentage format and name and percentage and grade format. There's two format. This format is the find in Garrett. Firstly, Garrett, select your Garrett bar option. Now keyboard press from equal and write from lookup. Now keyboard press first bracket and select percentage, first percentage. Now press from comma and select your percentage first and select and lock from the F4 function, then again comma, then grade select, then F4 lock. Now then second bracket, first bracket is, then keyboard press from in control enter. That's okay. Then I show the find the grade in Microsoft Excel. That's okay. 85% to A plus, 92% into double A, 56% in B grade, 78% in A grade, 55% is B grade, 35% in F, 45% in C grade, 69% into B plus grade, 41% in C grade, 60% into the B plus grade, 30% in F grade, 36% F grade, 41% to the C grade. That's okay. This format is find grade is very easy in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my